So here we have a streaming application giving you access to hundreds and hundreds of live TV channels, all with a fully working program guide that you can enjoy on your Fire Stick, on your Android TV. Now, this application is absolutely free. It was updated a few days ago, and with the latest update, they've now added more than 120,000 movies and VOD content all within this application. The application doesn't need any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords, and I'm sure when you see this latest update, you'll definitely find something to watch. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now, when you start the application for the first time, we can see it does give you a few options. The try us today and the sign in are basically options where you'd have to go through the sign up procedure and choose one of the premium tiers with Sling. But with my video today, I'm only interested in absolute free content, the content you can enjoy on all of your devices without requiring any kind of sign up. Now, to take advantage of that option, you want to click on where it says stream free. Let's click on that and we are taken straight into that content. I can click on maybe later and we are now on the home page. So right at the top, we can see we have a very large collection of live content. Then we have a recommended section. Then we have different categories for Asian stories, must-see movies. We have an arcade section, featured shows, action. You got sports on Sling. Then you got the premium packages. Again, I'm going to ignore the premium packages, ignore the streaming hub, black entertainment, comedy, horror, romance, news and business, sports. Let's try the sports ones. Here, for example, we can see we have Battle Court. Let's click on that. Give that a second. And we can see we are taken straight into that channel. And that really is a fantastic high definition picture. Let's back out of that. Got some sports content. Then you've got some other free episodes, true crime, music videos, new channels, browse categories, and then browse by channel. Then here's the option to create a free account if you want to, but in my demonstration, I'm not going to do that. Let's go back to the left. Let's now click on guide. And we should now be taken into this fully working program guide, the full EPG, where you can see exactly what channels are on here and more importantly, what's on those channels. And you will notice on the bottom right, this application does support picture-in-picture. And the way we can turn that off, if you hold down the back button, and now I get the option to either make that picture-in-picture full screen. I can mute it, but I'm going to go for close. That's now closed down. And here we are, guys. We now have access to all of these channels. And with that program guide, I know exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. And I can access all of this content in here. And this is a very, very big list. I believe it's over 450 channels. Here, for example, we have boxing TV. Click on that. And again, in less than 5 seconds, we are taken straight into that broadcast. All right, that's looking good. Let's go back. Again, I'm going to hold down the back button to close down that picture-in-picture. That's now gone. And I'm just whizzing through now just so you can see the sheer volume of channels in here, guys. But you can see no registration, no login. You can install this application and get access to all of this great content in here. You got some Spanish content, drama, game shows, comedy, just so many things, so many genres for you to browse through and find something to watch. Here, for example, is Forensic Files. I'm just picking a random channel just to show you that it's not just one channel, one TV show, one episode, as this is an official licensed application. Everything in here, it's working straight away. And we are now looking at some Forensic Files. It's working great. Let's back out of that. Now, if you don't go through a big list, I believe you can press back again. And right at the top here, we can see we have access to categories of these channels or the genres for these channels. So here we have recent. Let me close down the picture-in-picture. So again, hold down the back button and click on close video. Okay, so we got sports channels, news and opinion, movies, comedy, lifestyle, reality, all of your favorite genres are at the top. So for example, if I'm only interested in action and thrillers, I can click on that. This then filters out that content and then just shows me the action and thriller content only. Now the DVR section, I believe when I tested this last time, didn't work for me, or you had to create a free account. And it even says there that no card payment details are required. So you can create a free account and you can get access to 10 hours of free DVR. That just basically means that you can record content, you can record your favorite shows, you can set a schedule, and this will then automatically record that content for you and save it in the cloud. So again, to get features like that without requiring any kind of payment or card details, I do think that's a fantastic feature. Then you got the on-demand section. So this is basically your VOD, video on demand content. And you can see again, very, very popular, very, very new content is in here. Here's that classic Whose Lines It Anyway. I can click on that, give that a second. Let's go for season 9, episode 19. Click on that. Would you believe it, guys? No interruptions, no pop-ups in less than 5 seconds. So really, I'm very impressed with this application. Let's back out of that. So that's the VOD section, and we can see with this particular show, you had 9 seasons of content to access directly on here. And we're now back to the homepage with all of the favorite recommended content. So yeah, let's see what this arcade section is. Can you actually play games through Sling? That would be something of interest. All right, so would you believe it, now through this official streaming application, I'm now playing the classic Tetris. So I think with that, we'll just wrap up this application and just say that I really am impressed with this latest version of Sling TV. Now to get the latest version of this application, just open up the Google Play Store or the Amazon App Store and just search for Sling Free Stream and you'll get the latest version directly from there. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this in your application store, as always, I'll leave a copy of this application directly on my website. Just open up tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this updated version of Sling Free Stream for all of your devices. As with all of these official streaming applications, you do have to have a USA IP address, and the easiest way to do that is to use some kind of VPN. Right now, there's a super special offer for a superb price of just $2.75 per month. So really at that price point, to get total protection, keep yourself safe online, get maximum privacy, nobody can track you, your ISP can't see what you're doing, you can download content, you can stream content. To get all of that at under $3 a month, I definitely think this special offer is worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support my channel and my work, so many thanks if you want to do that. Have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.